First, before installation, disconnect the vehicle's power supply and all fuses inside and outside the bathroom. Then use this positioning diagram to determine the desired installation location. Note that the distance from the center of the toilet's base to the wall must be at least 220 millimeters. The upper portion of the toilet can rotate 180 degrees, allowing for more space to ensure a comfortable installation. Important: ensure there is sufficient space around the sliding door to remove the refill bags. Once you've determined the installation location, temporarily secure the positioning diagram with tear-off tape. Drill holes at the 5 points on the positioning diagram, 4 for the screws and 1 for the power cord. After drilling, remove the diagram and replace the drill bit with a diameter of at least 25 millimeters. Drill a hole at the 5th point, ensuring it is large enough to accommodate a work terminal. Next, threading the power cord through the hole. Adjust the length and place the R1808 dryflushtoilet in the proper position. Remove the integrated seat and lid cover to allow visibility through the toilet body. Align the holes on the bottom of the toilet with the holes you just drilled in the floor. Then insert the 4 screws into each of the 4 holes. Secure with a wrench. Replace the integrated seat and the lid covers and rotate the top of the toilet to test if it's securely installed and that there's enough space for easy use. Once that's confirmed, turn on the power to test for circuit continuity. Once everything is complete, you can install the bottom bowl and refill bag and use it normally.